Hi, this is Dave Taylor, and today we're going to upgrade the memory on this MacBook. So what do we need for this? We need a screwdriver, little one. We need a coin, pretty easy enough. And we need, of course, more memory. So between all of those, it's not going to be hard. We're going to pop open the battery from the back, and in there are these little slots. We'll pop out the old memory and get the new one. So let's jump in. Alright, so here's our MacBook. We need to flip it over. That might be the hardest part of this process. Then we need a coin. I'll use a quarter. And we will do that, pop the battery out. Now, put it aside. And now it turns out there are 3 screws here. You can kind of see it there in the video. And we're going to have to unscrew all 3 of them. I'll start on this side. There we go. So now, as you can see, we're pulling this metal strip out. And move my hands out of the way so you can see. It's actually pretty straightforward. The screws are still in it, so that's convenient. We'll put it aside. And now you can see there's these little levers. All we have to do is flip it over. And we can do that on both of them. And now we have the memory ready to pull out. There's one old memory card. There's 2 old memory cards, and here's the new ones. And the trick now is to orient them the same way. So it came out that way, these have to go in that way. So it slides right in, and you push it in until you can feel that it actually clicks into place. A little bit tricky. And then we do the same with the other one. So, and this, by the way, this is Kingston memory. They generously gave us the memory for this project, which is nice. So let's see, I'll move it here. And again, you have to be a little enthusiastic about pushing them in until they're firmly seated. And that's it. Now all we have to do is put this back. Let's do the screws. There's 3. That's all we got to do. And we have the memory, the battery. Put that back in. While we're holding it down, we take the coin, lock it into place, get the old memory out of the way, and done. Voila. Now give me a moment and we'll start it and we'll see if we have more memory.